If you love the decadent caramel pistachio goodness of the BumBum cream, wait till you see what we created using simple natural ingredients. Hey, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and we put together a rich whipped BumBum-inspired body butter recipe that we're excited for you to try. The best part is it's made with simple natural ingredients and your choice of a warm essential oil blend or a delicious fragrance blend. No synthetic junk, no mystery ingredients, just a fun uplifting DIY that anyone can make at home. We're starting with a 1/4 cup of shea butter, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, and 1 tablespoon of stearic acid. So then you want to melt everything together in a heat-safe bowl using a double boiler or your microwave. Just remember to stir every 20 to 30 seconds. Once melted, chill it for about an hour. You'll know when it's ready when the edges look opaque but the center is still soft. Here's the tip. If you want to speed things up, pour the mixture into a pre-chilled container before cooling. When it reaches that perfect semi-set stage, whip it for 3 to 5 minutes until it looks light, airy, and forms soft peaks. Here's the tip. If it hardens too much before whipping it, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. If it is too liquid as you whip, set the bowl on an ice bath to help it firm up. Now you want to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or arrowroot powder for extra silkiness. This is where you can also add mica powders if you want a soft shimmer when choosing your scent blend. For the essential oil version, use 8 drops of Peru balsam, 6 drops sweet orange, 6 drops sandalwood, and 4 drops of cardamom. For the fragrance oil version, use 2 drops of creme brulee safer fragrance oil, 12 drops of sweet orange, and 12 drops of sandalwood. Here's the tip. The fragrance version gives you a stronger caramel forward scent. Both versions smell wonderful though. Whip again until everything is smooth and fully combined. Finally, spoon your butter into a clean, dry 8-ounce jar and label it. To use, just scoop a small amount and massage it on your dry skin. It melts right in, leaving your skin soft, glowing, and lightly scented. Let's see how it turned out. I love it. It's fluffy, creamy, and it melts instantly into the skin. The scent is warm, sweet, uplifting. Such a feel-good moment. It genuinely feels like something you'd pick up at a high-end boutique, except you made it yourself. If you try this caramel cloud body butter, I want to see it. Share your creations with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured. And if you want more natural, easy DIY recipes like this, make sure to follow along and see you in the next video.